let's move on. Let's move on to something called vocal scratching. So vocal scratching is using your voice as a scratch record. For example, if I take the word yeah and I go yeah, yeah, the illusion of this is the word AWAR or ere. And so you go AWAR. Try that with me. AWAR. Ere. And you say it quite fast. AWAR. AWAR, AWAR. AWAR, AWAR, oh yeah. Ere, ere, oh yeah. AWAR. Ere. So the pitch of your voice is going down and then coming back up. Ere. Try that with me. Ere. Now let's try error. Ere. One more time. Ere. So if I take my name, for example, Kalim Bartlett. Kalim Bartlett. Bartlett. You can even put it into a beat. Yo, make sure you follow Tangent on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Just like that.